Remodeling work on the Sunriver Library is approaching completion. Let's head inside to take a look at the progress. This dynamic hub will offer more space for community gatherings, study and meeting rooms, expanded browsing space, and Wayfinder shelving, an updated children's discovery space and teen area, and a cozy new fireplace. The temporary library remains open in our parking lot to provide a place to drop off and return library materials, pick up holds, access public computers, and allow for limited browsing. We're on track to reopen later this summer, so stay tuned for the official opening date and grand opening celebration.